Okie dokie, welcome to Blender. So quite recently I've been experimenting with a few things in Blender, including nodes and some of the shaders. And to be honest with you, I've kind of found this really kind of nice kind of texture. It kind of mimics almost like smoke without being smoke. I don't really know what to call it, but yeah, we'll go ahead. And we'll just start with this default cube right here. I'm going to go ahead and change out EV to cycles. And essentially what we're going to do, let's go into the shading part right here. So this current texture is a principal BSDF. So we'll go into the materials section. We'll change principal BSDF to emission. And we're going to have this nice little glowing cube right here. Now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to add a plane underneath it so you guys can see the glow and remove the external lights right here. So once we have something like this, primarily, we have a glowing cube. Now, what we're going to do with this is we're going to go with add and color ramp. And we're going to place the color into the strength. My computer catches up. So we have something like this, and then what we're going to do is add, and we will go with noise texture. Just up on the side right here. You want to go colour into the FAC, and we'll have something like this. Now, for my design, I actually moved the black over and the whites towards, so we've got that more contrasted look. Just blow out those colours just a little bit more. So now we have this nice glowing cube with this on the outside. But what I found was really intriguing is if we remove the surface and move this to the volume, we now have this nice little cloud effect that happens in between. And I thought maybe we could experiment with this a little bit. So you can see how this works. If I just zoom in a little bit so you guys can see. It's this nice little cloud effect all inside of the cube. So I thought maybe we could try this with Veroni, the magic texture, and a few others just to see what happens. So I'm going to go with Shift D. Just to mosey this on over to the side. We're going to make this one into a new material. So let's go ahead, mosey this over. Alright, so I'll make this background black actually, so that we can kind of see what's going on the back here. So with this one, instead of a noise texture, I'm going to go ahead and duplicate the material. So this is now material 2. We'll go and take this noise texture right here. We'll delete this one and we will add in Veroni. Let's go with color to FAC. And now we have this, which is super cool. You go ahead and up the roughness, take it down, whatever like that. Randomness. Just kind of, you square this off and make this kind of nice and squared. Take the detail down, the scale. You can scale this upwards. Okay, get this nice cubed effect. That's pretty cool. So all of these are emissions. So they're all creating light as well. And then we could go ahead and put in the magic texture for the third one. So if we go ahead and just delete this, or even duplicate the material, and then we'll change the Veroni. So delete the Veroni, add the texture of magic, color into FAC, and now we kind of get this nice little weirdly patterned thing, so to speak. You want to go ahead and just turn that depth to 2. I mean, the scale, you could scale that down a little bit so you can see some of the detail. But it's kind of like this honeycomb kind of glow. And then if you mess with the distortion, you kind of get this really kind of almost trippy kind of look with this. So if you wanted to go ahead and lighten this a little bit, I guess you could just like pull across the colours here. Alternatively, if we move this to the colour on this side, you could do something like this and then lighten it or darken it. I don't know what you'd use this for, maybe for like clouds or something like that, but yeah, I thought I'd just show you guys like what I've been doing. Yeah, do with it what you will, I guess. Yeah, this is Surreal. I will see you in the next one. Thank you for watching.